looks just like a Fitbit, and it follows, it tracks you. Send me a link. I will.
All right, let's do an example, which I'm sort of attempting to test your mathematical maturity with. So, can we see if we can make a Pythagorean triple? But for 3D. You guys know what a Pythagorean triple is?
No.
Okay,
Probably by not that name.
3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triple.
Yeah, for an equilateral triangle.
Was
3 squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared.
It does have
Yeah, this makes a nice even triangle, right?
Mm-hmm.
So here's a hint. This one, and then really what I want you guys to do is make a quadruple. You guys see that?
Yeah.
In other words, find me a point that's an integer distance from the origin. There's a really easy cheat here. What's a really easy cheat? Yeah, 0 squared, 0, right? So, there's one. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Where's that point? So if I thought about the point 3, 4, 0, right? Really, me looking at this thing is really saying that the point 3, 4, 0 is 5 from where?
From the origin.
Perfect. So it's 5 from 0, 0, 0.
Bless you.
Can you make me another one of these? Is there a triple that involves a 5?
Yeah, like 8, 6.
3, 4, 5, 5. Okay, let's figure out how long that one is. So, how about 3, 4, 5? How far is that from 0, 0? Oh, yeah. So that's 3 squared, right? Plus 4 squared plus 5 squared.
Yeah, that's,
Is this thing's distance squared?
so it's 50.
So that's 50,
Mm-hmm.
right? So I get
D is the square root of 50.
E is 5 square roots of 2.
Mm-hmm.
Crap. I actually have been writing B. What else could I write there? Not R, right? Because R is in the XY plane. But what's the distance not in the XY plane? Rho. Remember in spherical, right? There wasn't really a reason to write distance because it was just that rho. So maybe instead of fiddling around with D, maybe I'll just write rho. Cool. Okay. Can I do a different one?
8, 6.
8, 6. Oh, nice. That's very good. You guys see what it did?
Mm.
Okay. So 8, 6, 0. How far is that? So what's the row for that one?
It's 10, because that adds to 100.
Yeah, it's 10.
So you can take any known triple and just add a 0.
Mm-hmm. In fact, actually, that's not even a new triple, right? That's my old triple times 2.
Oh.
See that? Okay, so how else can I make a Pythagorean triple with a not trivial z? Let's see, so we had that one. We already said that 3, 4, 5, or 3, 4, 0 had row was 5. Can you tell me about one where the z is not trivial? Don't think too hard on this. Yeah. That's the total cop-out, right? 0, 4, 3? You guys see that?
Mhm.
Yep. That also has row is 5, right?
336 or 366.
366.
Yes.
Row on that one?
9 plus
36 plus
70.
36 is 72, plus
81.
9 is 81. Nice. Very cool. You guys want to see the one I had in mind?
Good. So that'll be 25 plus 1.
And that's the biggest number I know how to square, so. Really, that was a product of me looking at the Pythagorean triple 3, 4, 5 and thinking, oh hey, I know another Pythagorean triple that already has a 5 in it. And 5, 12, 13 is a Pythagorean triple. So I got the 5 out of these guys. That's that r squared idea, right? Plus z squared gives you rho squared. Cool. Just playing along. How else could you make more of these in 3 dimensions without changing numbers? How could you find more points?
When you do it,
Yeah, we could fiddle with Pythagorean triples we know. How could I make more points out of these guys?
probably like give them a different combination. Yeah, give them
Yeah, just like switch the order around, right?
multiply by. You can also
I could multiply by a constant, right? As long as, yeah.
Yeah, I mean each one is a row.
Yeah,
and they change the order.
Yeah, certainly we could rearrange them. The other thing we could do is we could
Still
flip the
up in the
signs on some of them.
Getting
Yeah,
on
see
me
that?
about saying augmented.
Yeah.
Like minus 3 minus 6, 6,
That's fine.
right? What's the row for that one?
9.
Still 9.
Yeah, it's still 9, right? Why is it still 9?
Because
You're squaring everything,
negative
sign
is
doesn't
positive.
matter.
Pythagorean theorem doesn't give a crap which way you flip it, right? It still applies.
It's a magnitude.
Yeah, exactly. It's a magnitude, so it doesn't care about sign. Cool. Alright, so out of that one, punch that thing off quick.